today's recipe is no fry Motichoor Laddoos. Now Motichoor Laddoos are the very delectable sweet from India, and it is loved by everybody, but you fear for frying, but this one has no frying and you will love it because it has the same taste texture like the Motichoor Laddoos. So let me show you how. Now first we are going to soak about 2 cups of chaana dal or split chickpeas in water, and we are going to soak it for 4 hours or overnight. This is how it looks after 4 hours. So I'm going to drain it and then we are going to grind it in a food processor. So we have strained the water and you can see. So we are going to coarsely grind the pulses of the chana dal. It should not be like a paste, it should be just like small grains. So let me see how it looks. So you can see it's not a paste, it's like small, it has small grains in it, it's like a powder. So we're going to do the same with the other pulses. Now in another pan we are going to heat about 3 teaspoonful of ghee or clarified butter. Now to that we are going to add the dal mixture or the pulses, and then we are going to roast this or cook in this ghee for about 10 minutes till all the liquid has evaporated and it gives a more powdery structure. So we're going to cook it till there is no moisture left. So you can see after 10-15 minutes this is how it looks. The water has all dried up, it is almost like a powder. So next I'm going to show you the syrup. So for the syrup we are going to take 2 cups of plain sugar, and to that we are going to add about 2/3 cup of water, and then we are adding saffron, which is soaked in water, a little bit of warm water, and then we are going to mix it, make sure everything is mixed in. And to this we are going to add about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder, and again give it a mix. Then we are going to cook it till it gives a one string consistency. So how to test that, so we are going to take the spatula, blow some air on it, and then we are going to take it between 2 fingers, and when it's sticky, you can see it makes one string. So that's the one string consistency. So the syrup is done. So we'll turn the heat into low, and we are going to take our prepared dal or the lentil or the pulse mixture and add it to it. And then we are going to give it a stir and cook it till the syrup absorbs the dal. So you can see after like 10 minutes it will be all absorbed, and you can see it looks like the motichoor, the small grains of the laddoos. It's so beautiful, you can see the small grains. So almost like after 10 minutes you will see the liquid has been absorbed, and at this point we are going to add about 2 teaspoonful of ghee. You can add more if you like, and the more the merrier. And then we are going to add some chopped pistachios. I have some pistachios here, I'm going to add this. You can use any kind of nuts. So once we have added this, so the liquid has absorbed, we are going to turn the heat off and cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. So now you can see the laddu has cooled a little bit, but it's still warm. So we are going to apply some ghee on our palm, and then take the laddu mixture, and we will make small rounds between our palms, roll them, and we'll make the laddoos or the rounds. So same thing again, I'll show another one. Just roll it between your palms, show the mixture, yes, like this, and your laddu is formed. So we'll do the rest. I'll just show you 6 of them. So once they're done, I'm decorating it with some sliced almonds, and I'm going to decorate it with some 2 diyas or the lamps for festive look. So here it is. Your Motichoor Laddu is ready. Now if you want to make it more festive looking or more decorating, you can take some crushed pistachios and sprinkle on top, just like this. If you want a little bit more of pistachios. And let me show you how it looks from inside. So let me cut it and show you how it looks. You can see the tender crumbs like Motichoor Laddoos. It looks exactly like Motichoor Laddoos, and it tastes the same aroma, everything. And I'm sure you are going to make this soon and enjoy it with your friends and family. And see you next time. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel Simply Saffron by Pooja Hill, and don't forget to push the bell icon. And thanks for watching. Keep on watching.